Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning the face of a cloth seat for you guys with very little supplies needed. The tools I'll be using is all-purpose. I like to use a citrus-based all-purpose, but any all-purpose will work just fine. The second thing I'll be using is a seat belt cleaner. It's pretty much a spot remover. Any spot remover will work. And then what I'll do is I'll put a little each one in the spray bottle and fill the rest up with water. Then the last tools I'll be using is a shop vac and a soft bristle brush. Alright, so now let's get started. I'm going to spray my all-purpose and spot solution all over the seat. You can always add more, so don't soak the seat too much. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my soft bristle brush and agitate the solution on the seat. Now that you did your whole seat, if you still see some spots, you can hit them again. And if necessary, hit the spots 2 or 3 more times. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shop vac and remove the excess moisture from the seat. If you have a vacuum, that'll work just fine also. Now I'm just going to take my microfiber towel and remove as much of the remaining moisture as I can. Alright guys, so as you see, it's simple and you get great results. Thanks for watching my video. Go and click that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video.